Hey guys, thought I'd participate in this stock lock Sunday here today. I've got an ace, closed shackle, 5-pin lock here. Not a crazy bitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I thought it was 6, so I just went ahead and looked for the key to make sure I wasn't lying, but it is only a 5-pin anyway, so shouldn't be too bad of a pick here. Just keep some heavy tension and it pops open pretty soon, hopefully. So I feel some core movement, I'll know. Get a heavier tensioner and stick it in there and make sure we don't screw around too long. So I'll just end up bending this one if I try to open it with it, but it's a good tensioner to pick it with. Okay, that was that last pin, pin 5. Sorry, hopefully it stays focused better for you. Yeah, let me go in and check now. Let's see. No, not open. I didn't feel it turn, so. Just checking. Sometimes I screw around way too long with the lock that's already been opened for a few minutes. Check one more time. Feels like it should be open. No? I'll just reset it. Might have something overset there. Alright, it's hard to hold it at this angle. Okay. You know what? I feel like we just got it open there. Yep, there we go. Alright, must have had something overset. So yeah, there we have it. Not too hard of a lock. Just throw some heavy tension on there and this one likes to pop right open. But yeah, that's this Sunday's Stock Lock Sunday for me. So I will talk to you guys later and have a good weekend. Bye.